Hello friends, welcome to my new video how to make a Nuget package and publish it. So basically nowadays you can make your own tables and you can package it through Nuget so that all over the world people can use, because custom libraries you only keep in your system, and if it is useful for others, then it can be published. So you can reach to a via larger audience to make your library more published. So this is a new way to publish your application and make your builds or the libraries famous more. So this is provided by Microsoft. So basically, I will let you know how the basic steps of this procedure. So basically, first you have to create your own custom libraries. Then you have to create a Nuget account using Microsoft email. If you already have it, then fine. Then inside that, we will create an API key. Then we have to create a new spec file for our libraries with a folder structure. And also we have two options for uploading the Nuget packages. You can upload directly via our portal, or you can go via developer command, which is available in the Visual Studio. Also, after this, you can publish your libraries. Then you can search in your Nuget packages. You have a URL present now. Also, you have a package destination which you can search via your Visual Studio Nuget package. So let's start. So we will go with the practical thing. So first, we will see our new account. So this is my account. So here I'm going to show you. I will show you how you can sign in and do the things. Let me sign in with my account. Okay, so once you log into your account, you can see here your profile or your API key. So as I said, you have to generate a API key. So here you can create your API key. You can create or you can manage your existing API keys, or you can regenerate as well. So let me create it for you. So you can put your name, anything for this. So which package name you want to give, for that you can put it up. For example, I will make it test Nuget. Okay, and you can set an expiry date for it. So 365 is the default. And package owner, if you want to make someone else the owner, even if they have to be one user account, so that you can add them as an owner. So here you are the owner, so you can see your name here, push a new package version or push on the new package version. So unlist or relist the package versions. You can, maybe your existing package, you can delist it. So this is my available package, and here you can put for globe it is stars. So this is for the entire package. So you can go ahead with this. You can create. So API key has been created. Test new bit. Okay. So now you can copy your thing, or you can remove anything you can do. So to upload your package, you can go to your uploads. You can upload your Nuget packages. Before that, we will go and create our Nuget package itself. Okay. So let's get back. So here you can see I have created a asset managed cell which is having the lib folder. So basic this is a structure. So whatever your library name, under that you have to put the lib folder, and under that you have to put your versions. So maybe it is for .NET 8, 6.0, 4.7.1, 4.7.2, anything it can be. So for my case, it is .NET 8. I'm supporting it, so it will go inside this. So I have to keep my all libraries here, which is related to this. So this structure must be followed. It is a standard from the Microsoft. So after that, you have to create your new spec file. What is new spec file? This is a basic file, text file, which should have to mention your ID, your NuGet package ID and version, also the author. The author you have to mention. After that, you have to mention whether it's a recorded license or not, and you can put your description here. After that, you can put for release notes, whatever you want to mention, and the tags. And here you have to mention all the libraries which you want to user to be included in their uh, project. So that file it should have to be here. So that's it for the new spec file. And after that, you have to create your uh, uploader. So basically, new package creation. So you can do it two ways. So you can go to Visual Studio and you can open the any like you can go for developer command in search. So you can open the developer command prompt. And here you can put your standard structure. So this is so so standard structure for this is this. So you have to mention the NuGet, then you have to push, then what is your name for the NuGet package, hyphen source, and the API key URLs and the API key. So the API key will be go here. So this is a standard input for the command line. So if you have NuGet push in this, so currently it is saying no because we are not in the folder. So for that you have to go to specific folder by switching this cd /d folder. So you are now in that folder. So now you can see here the command clearly now. So you have to put NuGet push and SF package and all. So by this you can upload to your NuGet package. So this is it. So once it is uploaded, you can see in your uh, packages section. Here you can go to packages. Here your manage packages. So you can see all your published packages, unlisted, everything. So you can see now it's already 32 downloads already made it. I've recently uploaded it. So it's cool. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Please do comment, like, and share. If any questions are there, please comment below. Thank you.